the interesting Java questions that we have related to string constant pool. It can be asked in many ways. One of them is a question like this. So here we have many strings defined. S1, which is initialized to hello, S2, which is again initialized to hello, and S3 we have a new string object which is again initialized to hello. And what is the output? Here S4 is also defined. I have not used it currently. So with the S1 is equal to S2, now this is double equal to, which means it's a reference to the object. So our S1 and S2 both pointing to the same object, right? So what is the output? Let's look at it. You can have a try of what the answer should be. So here the answer is true, false and false. That means S1 and S2 are pointing to the same object and S3 is a new object altogether. Now why does this happen? Let's look at it through a diagram. So this is the Java heap, and within the Java heap you have a string constant pool. So when you define S1 and S2 as just string literals hello, they are created in the string constant pool, and so they basically point to the same object. And when you see a new string object, it creates a new object which is hello. And even S4, it will point to the same object. This is done because to save memory and boost performance, especially when you have the same string values. When there's XML parsing, JSON parsing, or you use keys and labels. So let's do a system.out.println, and S4 is equal to S1. Okay, and based on what we just saw, the answer should be true, right? Because it will also point to the same object. Okay, so this is true. If you just want to check the values, in that case you should be using equals, which means that it will check the value within the string and not the object. Okay, so this is true because the values are the same, hello. So just keep this in mind. It's a very important question, a tricky question. Many of them fail to answer this.